Prayer fills me up to be an infinite reservoir of calm, softly rippling fluidity in love, laced with sparkling effervescence of pure energy light that tickles my senses as it bubbles right onto the very surface of my conscious existence, illuminating brand new realities into present awareness. Prayer shines the light towards seeing the unseen, hearing the unfelt, feeling the unheard. It quietly whispers so I may hear divine guidance that takes me there, where I may travel the vast freedom of infinite existence in silent communion with the nature of myself and the all-encompassing good that surrounds us from within. Prayer, it is my personal birthright to meditate on bliss, no rules, no regulations. And when I am in prayer, I am in love. And when I am in love, in whose love am I? Is it not my own infinite pool of everlasting love, of life's ever-abounding beauty, which belongs to no one, and yet to us all? Prayer. I pray so you too may join me with a heartfelt smile today.